James Renault here, and just stop what you're doing for a second and listen to what Max has to say.
Over 1.5 million views gained on one single video. Millions of people reached with only one single account. 1,000 super targeted followers in just one night. $63,745.82 generated in just 30 days. Hey guys, I am Max and these are the results that I have gotten by simply posting 10-second videos on TikTok. Thanks to this one platform alone, I am now my own boss, I travel the world full time and I have reached complete financial freedom. Now, how did I accomplish all this? The answer lies in TikTok Revolution, the hustle-free way to achieve millions of views and thousands of dollars. This revolutionary system is designed to help you replicate my success and unlock the incredible power of TikTok. And let me make a few things clear right off the bat. There is no content creation, no product creation, no fancy funnel software needed to make this work. In fact, you do not even need to show your face or say one single word yourself in front of the camera if you do not want to. The best part? You don't need any prior experience or technical skills to succeed with TikTok Revolution. This system takes you step by step, showing you how to leverage TikTok's huge reach and turn it into a reliable source of income. It's all about tapping into short, engaging 10-second videos that capture your audience's attention. TikTok Revolution works in all niches. Whether you're into make money online, internet marketing, fashion, fitness, food, or finance, this system will guide you towards dominating your niche on TikTok. You will build a massive following, attract organic traffic, and monetize your content effortlessly. Worried about investments? Don't be. TikTok Revolution requires no upfront or ongoing costs. Really, all you need is your smartphone and the desire to succeed. With our super user and beginner-friendly system, you'll be creating compelling 10-second TikTok videos in no time. TikTok Revolution, unlock the potential of the fastest growing social media platform and start your journey to success. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your TikTok presence and as a result your online business overnight. It is really about time to make your mark and achieve the views, followers, and financial freedom you deserve.
Now, I've known Max for a while, and when I tell you he travels the world, one time he's in Germany, another time he's in Armenia, another time he's in India, and the list goes on and on. He's living the true laptop lifestyle. And when he started showing me his TikTok account, and I'm seeing this 1.5 million views on a video where he's literally pointing, when I'm seeing all of the money that he's making, I was like, dude, we've got to get this out here. So he started breaking it down for me, and it does exactly what it says. This TikTok Revolution, this is where all the views are at. If you want to get people to buy something from you, literally, it's doing these 10-second videos, pointing at something, and getting paid. We're going to break it all down. You don't want to miss it. So if you want to make a bunch of money, if you want to do things super, super fast, and if you want to have fun, you need to pick up TikTok Revolution. Get it below.